Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. In today's newspaper on Wednesday, September 11th, 9/11, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. One of them I've already solved, the 3-star Sudoku, so two puzzles are left, the binary and the 4 stars Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve. Not now, but in the evening. News of the day, well, I've told you, it's war day number 931. 931 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Alright, this will be number 9253. Before start, I always count up printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 4 stars puzzle has 24. This one has 2 digits more. Should be a 2 stars puzzle. 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Question is a 2 stars or is this a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. 1 in this column, 1 in the third column, so the column 3. The middle column, the second column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 in the third row, no 1 there. Only place left for 1 should be there. Alright, now 1. Need a 1 here, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright. Now I cannot continue with 1. How about 3. Need a 2 there. Need a 5 here. Alright. 5. We have a 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers. 1 of the missing number in this middle row is number 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in the middle row should be there. So 2 numbers left now in the middle row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8. Then need a 4, need a 7, need a 9. 4, 7, 9. Okay, now we need a fang, 7. Yeah. 4. Need a 6 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. And we have a pair again. The 2 and the 6 in this column. The 2 and the 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other 2 missing numbers in this first column are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. Well, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. So I need a number here. I need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Well. Interesting. Need a 3 there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 5. We have 7 and a 5 in this column, so no 7 and 5 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7, 5, 7 and 5. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. All right, so need a 4 here. Okay, so we have a 7 and a 3, 7 and a 5 here. That means I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 7. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so this can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7. So the 4 and the 9 are left. That means we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4, and this box should be an 8. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be in, and 9 goes there. Need a 3 here, and need a 6 here. 3, 3, okay. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. So the 4 and the 9 are left. Okay. Here we have a pair, 4 and a 9. 4, 9, and I need a 3 here. Okay. For the 5. 5, 5. Need an 8 here. 5, 5. Okay. Alright. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Need a 5 here. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have 5 in this row, no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have 5 in this column, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 and 5. Well, we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So here can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. This box should be a 7. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. The 8, 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, and the 9. Cannot fill this yet. Well, we have a 7 in this row. Oh, no. 7 and a 9. We already have a 7 in this big square, so here can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 9. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column 3 in the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. So the 4 and the 9 are left here. Okay. 4, 9. Another 2 should be the 5. Need a 5. 5, 4, 9. 5, 4, 9, and I need a 8 here. I need an 8 here. Well. 2, 4, 6. No. About here then. I need a 4 here. These 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6. And look, we have 1 and 2 in this row. No 1 and 2 in this box. 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this column for number 6. Yeah. Need a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left. 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there, and I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright, then let me see, the 8 should be here, and need a 9 here, 9, need a 9 there. Yep, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those two boxes in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place level 9 should be there. Okay, 4 or a 9 here also. We have a 9, so this box should be a 4. And that box should be a 9 then. 4 or 9, we have a 9 there, so this box should be a 4. 4 or 9, we have a 4 here, so this box should be a 9. 4 or 9, we have a 9 in this big square, so this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers, the 1. The 2, no, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only place level 5 should be there. Then 2 and 6. 5 in this column. Last column. 5 in the column next. On that column, the only two places left 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1, 2, need a 7. Well. 1. Come on. 2, 2. And 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and 2. We have 1 and 2 in the last column, so no 1 and 2 in these two boxes. 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8, 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 in this column. Last column, 7 in that column, so the column 3. The only two places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then, let me see, 1 and a 2 and well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this third row, no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in this column, no 3 in those two boxes. So 1 box left with 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column 3, the only place level 3 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the bar. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 now in the last column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the mark. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in the third row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, we have a 6 now in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 and the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, sorry, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finished in 13 minutes again. Well, what's happening? Cannot be a 4, another 3, another 2, another 1. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So, well, pleased with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.